Hello, vlog!
Hi, Docu Team!
Good morning, everyone. We're here at Anyon Laguna and we're here with...
Rodel Patrick Crisostomo from ESS 221A.
Since, can you tell us what your sports?
So as of now, I'm playing volleyball.
Since you're a part of the volleyball team, I assume you have jersey number. Could you tell us saan po galing yung inspiration niyo for your jersey number?
Actually, 19 players lang kami. Dapat 22, which is birthday ng mom ko. So, no choice ako sa 15. So, yeah.
Okay, now let's get to know more about your journey in this sport. When did you start playing your sport and what year did you officially begin participating in competition?
Grade 3, badminton palaro ko nun. Then, nag-switch ako to basketball, volleyball, athletics. Then, grade 6, dun ako nag-swimming. Dun ako nag-play ng competitive.
Next question po is, before playing your current sport, was there another sport you used to play and enjoy po?
Swimming.
Throughout your time in this sport, have you achieved any personal or team goals? If not yet, what are the goals you're striving to reach?
2017 nakapag SEA Games ako. So, sa Malaysia yon 2017, 5th ako. So, first game ko yun.
What are some of your best moments in this sport?
Yung nakuha ko, yung nabit ko lahat yung record nung palarong pambansa. Then, nilapitan ako nung head nung PSC. Then, kinuha ko para mag-national team.
Can you share your workout routine that helps you keep on top condition po?
More on endurance lang talaga. Then, ayun sa swimming, more on endurance. Naglalangoy kami ng 6 kilometers sa morning, 6 kilometers sa evening. So, sa volleyball naman, puro kami takbo talaga.
Is there a quote that motivates you whenever you play?
Pinaka tumatak sa akin yung kay Lightning McQueen. Yung I am speed. Ganun.
Okay. Lastly, what or who is your biggest inspiration for choosing and pursuing this sport?
Actually, may mom. Kasi yung dad ko recently, like, mag-aral ka na lang, ganito, ganyan. Yung mom ko yung pinaka nag-push through sa akin sa swimming. Like, wala kaming training. O, Pat, samahan kita. Hanap tayo swimming pool, mga ganun. So, yeah.
Yun lang po. Thank you so much for your story and we wish you the best in your athletic journey. Thank you po!
Production.